Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the secrets of happiness. How to be happy now. Imagine waking up every day with a smile on your face and a spring in your step. What if I told you that there are 5 simple habits you can start today to boost your happiness? Stick around because we're about to reveal these life-changing tips. Let's get started. Habit 1. Sleep early and regular. First up, let's talk about sleep. Did you know that getting enough sleep is crucial for maintaining good mental and physical health? Aim to sleep early and stick to a regular sleep schedule. This helps your body produce essential hormones like serotonin and melatonin that regulate mood and overall well-being. Try to get at least 7 to 9 hours of sleep each night. You'll wake up feeling refreshed and ready to tackle the day. Habit 2. Exercise now. Next, let's get moving. Exercise is a fantastic way to boost your happiness levels. Start with mild exercises that you can easily do at home, like stretching, yoga, or a quick jog around your neighborhood. Physical activity releases endorphins, also known as happy hormones, which instantly lift your mood. Even just 20 to 30 minutes a day can make a big difference. Habit 3. Acts of kindness. One of the most rewarding habits you can develop is practicing acts of kindness. Doing good for others not only helps them but also boosts your own happiness. It can be as simple as helping your parents with chores, supporting a friend in need, or even smiling at a stranger. These small acts create a ripple effect of positivity and make the world a better place. Habit 4. Gratitude journaling. Gratitude journaling is a powerful tool to enhance your happiness. Every day, take a few minutes to write down things you're grateful for. It could be anything from a delicious meal to a kind gesture from a friend. Focusing on the positives in your life shifts your mindset and helps you appreciate the little things that bring joy. Habit 5. Meditation and prayer. Finally, let's talk about meditation and prayer. Taking time to meditate or pray can significantly reduce stress and increase feelings of happiness and peace. Whether you follow a particular religion or not, speaking to a higher power or simply practicing mindfulness can help you feel more grounded and connected. Spend a few minutes each day in quiet reflection, and you'll notice a big difference in your overall mood. These 5 habits are simple yet powerful ways to boost your happiness. Why not give them a try and see how they transform your life? If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more tips on living a happier, healthier life. And don't forget to comment below and share your experiences or any other habits that help you stay happy. Let's build a community of positivity together. See you in the next video.